Hey everyone, welcome back to Workforce Workshop. I'm your host, Chiraz Kelly, and today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for employers and hiring managers: the benefits of partnering with a staffing agency to find top talent. In today's competitive job market, finding the right candidates can be a daunting task, but staffing agencies can make the process easier, faster, and more effective. Whether you're a small business owner, a hiring manager, or an HR professional, this video will show you why working with a staffing agency could be a game changer for your recruitment strategy. Let's get started. What is a staffing agency? Before we dive into the benefits, let's clarify what a staffing agency does. A staffing agency, also known as a recruitment agency, specializes in connecting employers with qualified candidates for temporary, contract, or permanent positions. These agencies have extensive networks, industry expertise, and advanced tools to source, screen, and match candidates to job openings. They act as a bridge between employers and job seekers, streamlining the hiring process for both parties. Now that we've covered the basics, let's explore the key benefits of partnering with a staffing agency. Access to a larger talent pool. One of the biggest advantages of working with a staffing agency is gaining access to a larger and more diverse talent pool. Staffing agencies have extensive networks of candidates, including passive job seekers who aren't actively looking for new opportunities, but may be open to the right offer. These agencies also have specialized databases and tools to identify candidates with specific skills, experience, and qualifications. This means you're more likely to find top talent that matches your needs, even for hard-to-fill roles. For example, if you're looking for a software developer with expertise in a niche programming language, a staffing agency can quickly identify and connect you with qualified candidates. Save time and resources. Recruiting is a time-consuming process that involves posting job ads, reviewing resumes, conducting interviews, and negotiating offers. For many employers, this can take weeks or even months, diverting valuable time and resources away from core business activities. Staffing agencies handle the entire recruitment process for you, from sourcing candidates to conducting initial screenings and interviews. This allows you to focus on running your business while the agency finds the best candidates for your roles. Additionally, staffing agencies have the expertise to streamline the hiring process, reducing the time it takes to fill positions. This is especially important for roles that need to be filled quickly, such as seasonal or project-based positions. Expertise and industry knowledge. Staffing agencies specialize in recruitment, which means they have deep expertise and industry knowledge that can benefit your hiring process. They understand market trends, salary benchmarks, and the skills and qualifications required for different roles. This expertise allows them to provide valuable insights and advice, such as how to structure job descriptions, what to look for in candidates, and how to compete for top talent in a competitive market. For example, if you're hiring for a role in a rapidly evolving field like technology, a staffing agency can help you identify the latest skills and certifications that candidates should have. Flexibility in hiring. Another major benefit of partnering with a staffing agency is the flexibility it offers. Whether you need temporary staff for a short-term project, contract workers for a specific initiative, or permanent employees for long-term roles, staffing agencies can accommodate your needs. This flexibility is particularly valuable for businesses with fluctuating workloads or seasonal demands. For example, if you run a retail business that needs extra staff during the holiday season, a staffing agency can quickly provide qualified temporary workers. Even if you're not ready to commit to a permanent hire, many staffing agencies offer temp-to-perm options, allowing you to evaluate candidates on the job before making a long-term commitment. Reduced hiring risks. Hiring the wrong candidate can be costly, both in terms of time and money. Staffing agencies help reduce this risk by thoroughly vetting candidates before presenting them to you. This includes verifying resumes, conducting background checks, and assessing skills through tests or interviews. Some agencies even offer guarantees, meaning they'll replace a candidate or refund their fee if the hire doesn't work out. By partnering with a staffing agency, you can feel confident that you're hiring qualified and reliable candidates who are a good fit for your organization. Cost effectiveness. While there's a cost associated with using a staffing agency, it can actually save you money in the long run. Consider the expenses involved in traditional hiring, such as job postings, recruitment software, and the time spent by your team on the hiring process. Staffing agencies consolidate these costs into a single fee, often based on a percentage of the hire salary. Additionally, by reducing time to hire and minimizing the risk of bad hires, staffing agencies can help you avoid costly turnover and lost productivity. For small businesses or startups with limited budgets, partnering with a staffing agency can be a cost-effective way to access top talent without the overhead of an in-house recruitment team. Focus on cultural fit. Finding candidates with the right skills is important, but cultural fit is equally critical for long-term success. Staffing agencies take the time to understand your company culture, values, and work environment, ensuring they recommend candidates who align with your organization. This focus on cultural fit leads to higher employee satisfaction, better team dynamics, and lower turnover rates. For example, if your company values collaboration and innovation, a staffing agency can identify candidates who thrive in such environments. Scalability. Whether you're scaling up for growth or downsizing due to market changes, staffing agencies can help you adapt quickly. They can provide temporary or contract workers to help you manage increased workloads or fill gaps during transitions. This scalability is especially valuable for businesses in industries with fluctuating demands such as construction, healthcare, or retail. By partnering with a staffing agency, you can ensure you have the right people in place to meet your business needs at any given time. Specialized recruitment for niche roles. Some roles require highly specialized skills or industry-specific knowledge that can be difficult to find through traditional recruitment methods. Staffing agencies often have expertise in niche markets and can tap into their networks to find candidates with the exact qualifications you need. For example, if you're hiring for a role in cybersecurity, a staffing agency with experience in the tech industry can quickly identify candidates with the right certifications and experience. Long-term partnership. Finally, partnering with a staffing agency isn't just a one-time transaction, it's the start of a long-term relationship. Over time, the agency will gain a deeper understanding of your business, culture, and hiring needs, allowing them to provide even better service. This ongoing partnership can save you time and effort in future hiring efforts, as the agency will already know what you're looking for and how to find it. It's like having a trusted recruitment partner on your team. And there you have it, the top benefits of partnering with a staffing agency to find top talent. From saving time and resources to accessing specialized expertise, staffing agencies can help you build a stronger, more efficient workforce. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Workforce Workshop, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below, let me know if you've worked with a staffing agency before, or share your own tips for finding top talent. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.